Hello, friend. Now let's start a new topic. What is skill? Simple words. The Simple English Dictionary has a definition for skill. A skill or technique is a learned ability to do something. Skill does not always have to be something physical. It may refer to the way a person approaches a problem. Examples of skills are being able to handle a bow or a gun. Now, let's start. Another topic is what is the full meaning of skill? Number 1A, the ability to use one's knowledge effectively and readily in execution or performance. B, dexterity or coordination, especially in the execution of learned physical tasks. Number 2, a learned power of doing something competently. A developed aptitude or ability, language skills. Now, why is skill important? In everyday life, the development of life skills helps students to find new ways of thinking and problem solving, build confidence both in spoken skills and for group collaboration and cooperation, analyze options, make decisions, and understand why they make certain choices outside the classroom. What are the benefits of skills? Improves confidence, supports organizational goals, increases job satisfaction, improves leadership and management skills, improves customer service and sales skills, creates mindset shifts, increase net promoter scores and employee promoter scores, improves employee engagement, motivation and retention. Now, another topic is knowledge a skill? Knowledge can be transferred from one person to another, or it can be self acquired through observation and study. Skills, however, refer to the ability to apply knowledge to specific situations. Skills are developed through practice through a combination of sensory input and output. Now, another topic is how do you use skills? She shows great skill with a paintbrush. He has little skill as a teacher. He likes to show off his skill in drawing. The skill of teamwork is highly valued. Now, let's start. Next topic is what is a skill description? Skills are the experts or talent needed in order to do a job or task. There are many different types of skills that can help you succeed at all aspects of your life, whether it's school, work, or even a sports or hobby. Skills are what makes you confident and independent in life and are essential for success. Now, how do you describe a skill set? A skill set refers to a specific area of competence, knowledge, experience, and abilities required to do a job. Some categories for a skill set may include computer skills, communication, time management, research and planning, leadership and accounting. Now, what is a skill word? Some common synonyms of skill are artifice, art, craft, and cunning. While all these words mean the faculty of executing well what one has devised, skill stresses technical knowledge and proficiency. Now, another topic is creativity is a skill. Now, creativity is a skill that can be developed and a process that can be managed. Creativity begins with a foundation of knowledge, learning a discipline, and mastering a way of thinking. You can learn to be creative by experimenting, exploring, questioning assumptions, using imagination, and synthesizing information. Now, what are examples of skills? Example skills to put on a resume. Active listening skills. Active listening is the ability to focus completely on a speaker, understand their message, comprehend the information, and respond thoughtfully. And communication skills, computer skills, customer service skills, interpersonal skills, leadership skills. Now, let's start a new topic. What are four examples of skills? Skills are the expertise or talent needed in order to do a job or task. Some student skills include accountability, analyzing information, communication, and critical thinking, digital literacy, follow directions, imagination, initiative.